I don't care. I will throw my phone at you.
But if it breaks, that's your own fault.
I don't care. Hit your body. It's your fault for standing in the way.
In what?
It's the air around you that made it fly on my hand.
Shut up, man. Those two. La lovebirds. Oh, by the way, this is on YouTube. Nope.
Now I want it. Keep doing it.
Nope.
Just like an X-ray, just throw the milk and just prick this. Why do you not like this?
Oh.
He looks like a monkey.
Hi, Dante. You like the scenery?
He looks like a monkey behind you.
No.
I almost fatality'd him. I almost fatality'd him.
Fuck you, man.
I almost fatality'd him. All I did was push him and he almost fell down.
Look at the finger. And look at the lovebirds that are really, really, really lovable. And this is my ex-girlfriend.
Can you do that to all of them? I'm being trained.
Yeah.
Like broken fingers.
Nope. No.
I
What the fuck are you doing, man?
It's like trying to put a baseball bat in a point. Don't give a shit.
You mean a baseball bat in a glove? Totally. I'm just recording this stuff because... oh, wait, by the way, this is on YouTube.
I don't give a shit.
Hey, then the whole entire world would know.
Subscribe to me at Taken Titan Doomsday.
It's still recording, this is live.
Hey, subscribe to me at the Taken Titan Doomsday. Support my own self, please.
Please, I need money for my family.
Oh!
What in the fuck? I'm broke, man.
Come here.
This is what happens when you piss off his boyfriend.
Coming over the table. They're coming over the table.
This is what happens when you piss off her boyfriend.
No!
Yeah. No. Good, AJ. It's good.
AJ, my time to run is now, when he's not looking.
And that's the lovebirds that are just moving away.